everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and we had a great suggestion for a video. It's whether or not it's better to buy a commercial property or a residential property. So if you have an idea on a video, just leave a comment below and we'll be sure to make one for you. So what I can tell you from experience, and this is totally an opinion, is that it's much, much better to buy a residential property instead of a commercial property, and here's why. The number one reason is the tax rate, okay? A commercial tax rate compared to a residential tax rate is often twice as much. Think about that, twice as much taxes. And there's no way around this unless, of course, you can work a zoning reclassification, which is extremely hard, okay? The second reason here is your insurance premiums will also be categorized as commercial, okay? An insurance company will look at this property differently, okay, than if it's residential, and you're going to pay more with a commercial property. And there's no way around that unless, of course, you get that zoning reclassification. The third point here is your utilities. Now, a water consumption rate, a sewer consumption rate, your gas, your electric, whatever it may be, is going to be categorized commercially instead of residentially, and you're going to pay more. Okay, so think about this. Your taxes, your insurance, your utilities, your biggest expenses here are going to be classified higher, almost double than a residential property. Now, also consider this. With a commercial tenant, it's extremely hard to replace them. And the biggie, a commercial tenant is not sleeping here. Okay, think about that. This is not where they lay their head. This is not where their family lives. It's not where they have dinner. It's none of that. So if something goes wrong, chances are someone will let their business go first before they let their home go. Okay, so that's why a residential property is much more secure, much more conservative, and will pay you better in most cases than a commercial property will in the long run. So once again, it's Gregory Rice from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.